Ada here. Thank you so much for coming back to my YouTube channel. Today I am sharing with you guys my new 2019 setup. I've been using planners I'm averaging about 2 to 3 months at a time. Now I'm switching this off. This is new for me. I finally got the correct ring planner that I wanted with this Pelledori. I actually purchased this last year and I did not like the rings that it came with it, so I had to order new ones, and it came just in time for the new year. So I am going to do a quick flip through of it. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Put them in the comment box below if I just don't happen to answer them. Okay, let's get to it. The very first thing that you see is this adorable felt flower from Fern, which this was, when I seen it, I knew I just had to have it. This is the most adorable color, one of my favorites. If you guys are following me on Instagram, you guys should know my favorite color is this teal aqua color, and it looks more like a Tiffany blue color, so I don't know if you can see it on camera, but I loved it, so I'm so glad I was able to get one. Okay, look at all this loveliness. Oh my goodness. So in this kit, in this whole entire setup, I have used Craftieliciousloves. I am amazed by all her images in her kits, and honestly, this is all I needed to set this up. She provides everything. She provides digital, she provides stickers, so you can subscribe to both. You could be a subscriber for the digital images, or you can just be a subscriber for the sticker images, or do both like I do, because her images are just fabulous. Okay, on the side pocket here are a lot of die cuts. I laminated a lot of my die cuts because I like them to be sturdy and protected. So all these pockets I did do decorative die cuts. This here is a sticker that I printed out myself. It says I can and I will. There's more die cuts. This is another die cut that I laminated and put together here. Another die cut which I taped on here, and this cute little bow is from K & Company, which I adore her accessories too. And in my pocket I've kept all my stickers, all my Craftielicious stickers. This is a little freebie that I got from her, really cute. It's a decal. It's actually a gold decal, and this here is the So Yummy kit, which is available in her shop. I've used a lot of the stickers already, but she includes, I believe it's 8 sheets of stickers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 2 more in my kit that I'll show you where it's at. So I believe there's 8 stickers. She includes tons of die cuts, and I love it. I love them all. Okay, this here is a pocket that I created from the digital images that she sends when you become a subscriber. So I was able to print it out, laminate it, and this is where I keep all my die cuts. Some of them are laminated, some of them are just the plain old stickers, but I just like to keep them here, so if and when I go to use them, they're available to me right there. So because I don't have anything, I still can't figure out how to close up these cute little pouches, but I'll figure something out. But for now, I'm using a paper clip. This is my very first dashboard. These papers were all printed up from the digital kit. I used a punch to make a decorative look on the side here, and these are stickers from the sticker kit. You could use them again as die cuts, or you could use them as stickers too, and just added some enamel dots to them. This is another dashboard. Now this here, I did this myself. I laminated this tab on top that I created using my scan and cut, and the paper that I used was also from Craftieliciousloves, part of this kit, and I just used it as a tab. So I really enjoy the top. I haven't used the top tabs yet. I've always used the side ones, but because I wanted to add these awesome bows on the side here, I figured I'd just use the tabs on top. So that worked out really well. This is an insert. This is a daily insert from Craftieliciousloves, part of the kit as well. And I don't normally use the daily section daily like you're supposed to. I normally use the sections when I have way too much to do in the day, and I'll make sure I list everything per day if my day is just insane. So the daily section is not really, I don't use it personally how you're supposed to use it. I basically work out of my weekly insert. Okay, this is the end of the daily tab, end of the daily insert. I printed out a sheet of vellum, also from the digital images. Here is another dashboard. And you know what? I'm just gonna flip through the whole thing, get some music in the background, and hope you enjoy it. Okay, we're at the end. Now, these are the other two sheets that are included in the kit. I like to keep my box stickers separate than everything else. It's so much easier for me to find my box stickers when I separate them. This cute little bow is from Simply Gilded. I also created these tabs, these gift card holders for Christmas, and I gave them out to my co-workers, and they adored them. Basically what it is you open this little pocket up, put a gift card in there, and they really like it. They like enjoying, they enjoy getting homemade cards for me or just any other crafty thing. So I really like how these turned out, and I like the bow on this. It's got the little shiny glimmer to the bow. So I just kept it. I kept one. I always keep something from whenever I give away crafty things that I do for friends. And these are more stickers that I printed up. I will be using these throughout the week and the month. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much again for stopping by. I've always enjoyed working with Craftieliciousloves images. I will make sure I leave a link to her little shop and a discount code too as well. If you have any questions, guys, just leave them again down below. And thanks again for stopping by. Hope you enjoyed this video, and happy crafting, guys. Bye.